Now, the end parts of asparagus are tough, and I don't want them. So the asparagus naturally bends and breaks off where it's supposed to. Don't throw these guys away. You can save them and make an asparagus soup. Asparagus are sweet and nutty. I'm slicing these into thin ribbons to make them easier to eat like lettuce in my salad. I love asparagus. I love its mild, bright flavor. It's incredibly delicious. Whenever you're peeling asparagus like this, be sure to start off with some firm, thick stalks. It makes it a lot easier. So this little package is filled with sweet bacony goodness. This is pancetta. Pancetta is an Italian cured pork. It's a lot like bacon. You could use bacon in this dish and it would be just as amazing. I love that sound. It means my pancetta is gonna get nice and crispy. So what I think this salad needs is a perfectly poached egg. I'm gonna add a splash of vinegar to my poaching water to help the whites keep together. So making a perfectly poached egg is a little bit of a science. Generally, it takes 3 to 4 minutes, but you're gonna wanna keep your eye on it. I wanna make sure that the yolk is still soft and all of the whites have firmed up nicely. This is a perfectly poached egg. When I cut into this, that yolky center is just gonna ooze out. So this pancetta has crisped up perfectly. It's gonna be salty and rich. Can't wait. So crispy. I'm telling you guys, don't miss out on the good stuff. So this pan is filled with all of that pancetta oil, which is the perfect start for my dressing. I'm gonna add a little shallot. Now I wanna get all those little brown bits off the bottom of the pan. And lemon's gonna do that perfectly. I love that juice. And make sure to get all those little brown bits from the pancetta off the bottom of my pan. That's all big, extra added flavor. This dressing is gonna be insane. Now I'm gonna hit it with a little bit more acidity, a couple glugs of vinegar, and some fresh ground pepper. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Now, I'm gonna heat my pancetta up in our warm dressing. It's gonna soak up all those juices. Look at all that yumminess coming together. So remember, my dressing is warm. So when I pour it over our shaved asparagus, it's gonna help to wilt it and just soften it a little bit. Get it that perfect texture for my asparagus salad. I can feel the asparagus just wilting a little bit, softening up. It smells fresh and salty and smoky. This is ready to put on the plate. And now this needs a perfectly poached egg on top. Can life get any better? Okay, guys, check this out. This is my favorite part. Watch that golden yolk just seep out of there. Looks so good. so many different flavors and textures in this salad. There's freshness and crunchy, smokiness, richness from the egg yolk. They all came out to play. Asparagus, it's springtime on a plate. Now, wait till you see what I can do with my artichokes.